We have an extremely special thing happening for you tonight. Joining us is a legend of the city of New York. Please welcome Rachel Benbow Murdy.
It makes me so nervous.
Start.
The lemon tree is so pretty. The lemon blossom so sweet. But the fruit of the poor lemon is impossible to eat.
Janine, I drink blood. Janine, I drink blood. Janine, I'll say if you were the Baltic Sea and I were a cup. Street and drove south with my hands on the wheel and taste in my mouth.
Cigarettes, babies covered up, smothered up.
Jesus to my left, the hollow tongue on my right. Angels shine down from the traffic light.
Disease, true belief.
If you were the Baltic Sea and I were a cup of
Cookies.
I fell asleep by the blue light of live and fire.
I've already signed up.
As I drifted off, I heard some
Signed up.
Simmons say to me, dial 1-900 4JK.
Hearing pieces on the way, yeah. Nice day, nice day. Envelope. See you soon.